Alright guys, welcome back to the Nuka Brothers. I'm Ivan.
I'm Mike.
Today we're working on the Hellcat. We're waiting on the Raptor a little bit, so we're gonna work on the Hellcat. We got the interior we got put together. All the little parts came in, the airbag, the seat belts, the module, everything that we need to put the interior back together. So
yeah, I'm gonna go at it. I mean, hope there's a lot of little pieces. I wanna do it right, so I'll take my time and set it all out. Put all the bolts and baggies, so it's nice. We're just gonna put it all back together. It's gonna look great. I'm happy about this part. It's coming together.
it's gonna look good. Yeah. Plus you got the seat you got put together.
Yeah.
I didn't take it apart, so I ain't touching it. Have fun.
I'm gonna watch the videos, don't remember.
But I'll put the roof airbag in. And there's a lot of little stuff to do, but we're still gonna do a giveaway. All you have to do is comment Hellcat, subscribe, like the video, and follow us on Instagram.
All right guys, I got the airbag module out, took the airbag guy, and he told me we don't even need to get a reset. So the newer ones that are the plastic shell, they don't need to get reset. That's crazy. And it's kind of pain in the butt getting to it, but we save some money. So future note, if you're ever doing airbag modules, and then if it's like the metal casing, then yeah, most likely you need to get a reset, but if it's the plastic one, then you probably don't even need to get a reset. FYI.
Also, we got the other airbags that came in. Here's the current airbag. Do you think it's the right one?
I hope. You'll have fun.
There's the buckle. One of the buckles were bad.
Yeah.
And then the seat belts.
Those have to get rebuilt.
Rebuilt. We gotta put those in. And then we got the seat airbag.
Yeah.
I think it's over there.
Yeah, it's by the seat itself. So I'm gonna go to that, put that in together, and that's good.
Alright guys, we got the interior closer and closer together. We got these panels back on. We got the roof airbag put in. We got the headliner, the little brackets, the little clips. All that's getting in there. Slowly but surely, it's getting there. There's a lot of little screws, little clips. Gotta make sure we put them in the right spots. But now we're gonna put the little back panel in for the trunk. We're gonna try to put the back seats in. And, you know.
Yep, got the seatbelts on.
Yeah, seatbelts are on.
I got the center console in, but I kind of forgot this piece. So I gotta take it apart again.
It happens. So let's get on it.
Man, there's a lot going on with this chair. So motors, switches, speeders even. Dang. Pretty complicated. A lot of features. Get it back together. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. All the time we had to work in the Hellcat. Got the interior together, we got a lot of work done. It looks nice, it's coming together.
And you did a great job, Michael. I helped you with airbags? No, I helped you do something.
The current airbag, yeah.
I think I did the back seats and the plastic, so.
I did the back seats before. Whatever. Yeah, either way, it's moving forward.
Either way, let's pick our winner, you guys. We got 3 of these.
Yeah.
And you guys can still win again. We'll have 3 more. Just comment Hellcat, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram, like the video, and share. You guys share our videos. We definitely appreciate it. We enjoy doing this and showing you guys more. We'd like to show you guys more content in the future.
All right. So we got 452 comments. Let's find our first winner. 3, 2, 1. Nico Brothers.
He didn't comment. Hellcat.
Yeah, let's try it again. Let's find another one. 3, 2, 1.
There you go.
Hellcat, alright. Maria G. Gaman. Congrats, you won. First winner.
Number 2, let's check.
Here we go. Comment number 88, Wild North TV, Hellcat. Good job, you won as well.
And our last one.
Here we go. Andrew McWig. Alright, Hellcat, that's all you need to do. We'll see if you're subscribed. Hopefully follow us on Instagram. That'd be nice. Send us your email, your address, email us your address, and we'll try to get these signs out to you as soon as possible.
We'll see you guys on the next one.
Stay tuned.